Hey out there, YouTube, how we doing today? Well, as you can see, it's that time of the month again. BattlBox is right back in the shop. So stay tuned. We're going to roll that little intro, and we're going to take a look at this guy. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, before we get in the box, bear with me real quick. I've got a subscriber who's having a really bad time recently that's been brought to, my attention. And I just want to say, Mike, hang in there, buddy. You've got friends, you've got family, you've got loved ones that care about you. I can't understand what you're going through at this moment, brother, but reach out, man. When you're ready to talk, I'll be here to listen. Alright, now moving on from that, we're going to take a look inside the box. If you're unfamiliar with BattlBox, it is a monthly subscription box that has 4 levels. The basic, the advanced, the pro plus, or as we call it, the knife of the month. Essentially, the more you spend is the more you're going to get. Now, we're taking a look at the basic box today. Why basic? Well, honestly, I fell out of love with BattlBox a little bit ago. But it's one of those companies that every so often they have a massive hit, and I don't want to pay an arm and a leg to get it like I did for their new welcome box and the active shooter box. Now, as we usually do, there is the mission card. This month's mission is called Sniper. I think they should have called it what they have on the back, long range shooting. But okay. We're going to, like I said, take a look at the basic level. It costs $24.99 a month, and I think it's like $8 in shipping I paid, but it has a $63.43 value. So in essence, you're almost tripling your money. You're like, that comes from doing it. But there we go. So the first item they have up in this box is a long-range shooting handbook with a value of $24.95. Now that makes me laugh. I'm ex-military. So you're telling me all the blocks of instruction on shooting and engaging targets at long range is only worth like $24.95? Because from my understanding, the author of this book, Ryan M. Kleckner, if I'm saying that right, he teaches long-range shooting to elite U.S. Navy SEALs. Okay. He writes it, from what I can see right here, just in the same style as a U.S. military, field manual. It's about 311 pages. So I will be getting into this later. I'm going to give it a read. I am curious to see what he has to say. Because I've always been of the, mindset, you tap them out at long range, you ain't got to deal with them at close range. But there we go. Alright, next up is Modern Spartan Systems Spartan Accuracy Grease. It's got a value of $11.50. Now, a while ago, I can't remember exactly what box it was, we got something from Spartan Systems in there that, Kern 1776, just swears up and down by. I haven't been able to use it yet, but one day I plan to, and I'll be bringing it to the channel. But that's it, and its little glory, little tube. Yeah, of course. That's what it looks like on the inside. So, yeah. I will be giving that a try at some point, and I'll be doing a follow-up video on it. Okay, third item up in the basic box, and this is going to be a short video because seriously, there's only 4 items. Only 4. It says rifle cheek rest with ammo and admin pouch. Now, I will tell you, I've been wanting to buy one of these for myself for a little while. I remember these from the military. These things are beautiful, okay? Great spot to be able to rest your cheek on. storing extra rounds in here for your long gun. And where is it? I could have sworn somewhere in here. Ah, okay. If I'm reading this right, basically on the inside, well, here's parts for this. But, you know, you're supposed to be able to, somewhere on here, basically you can store what's called your dope card, which is basically your long-range accuracy. You know, you do your dilation, you know, your dials, your calculations, and that way you already have it on there. But I have been wanting one of these. I think this thing is phenomenal. You know, only snipers in the military got to have them. I never really got to have one on my point, which was an M16A2 at that point. And yeah, I'm dating myself. They were rolling out in the military while I was in, so there we go. Now that has a value of $13.99 if I didn't say that. And the last item in the basic box, and the last item we're going to take a look at today, is the shooting rifle rest. It's got a value of $12.99. Come on, open up. Yeah, I still love how they put that on there. Do not eat. I mean, seriously, who buys something and goes, yay, candy? Seriously. Alright, move you. So basically, as you can see it right there, you can lay it flat like this and, you know, have, you know, your rifle embedded right here and to help, you know, stabilize and whatnot. You can basically drape it over an arm if you need to, you know, over a fence post. It's got some great uses in order to help stabilize your fighting position. Well, I should say your rifle. And having a good, stable, you know, firing position, it's essential for being able to put lead down range and actually hit the target. But I mean, I don't know. It just seems like a big old beanbag to me. But I'm sure some of you out there have used one before. I haven't. I don't know. I'd like to know what you think about this, you know, down below. If you've used one, let me know. If you haven't used one, let me know. I mean, just give me your thoughts, your questions, your comments, all that fun stuff. Now, like they usually do. Okay, there we go. They always seem to, and they haven't done it recently for some reason, they always give like discount codes or more product information, that kind of fun stuff. But there's on the Spartan grease. And yeah, there's that little discount code down there. So if you want to use it, go ahead. Because I don't think I'll be buying another thing. So give it a shot. But that's it for that. I mean, I gotta tell you, I'm looking at everything else in here, and it makes me go, all right. So they're talking about how this was their highest value for the Pro and the Pro Plus. I'm not a fan of the Sniper Blade Works knives. I never have been. And I saw the knife that they were going to put out for this month. But, anywho. Let's wrap this up like we usually do. Give you thoughts, whatever. And let's move it on. Okay, guys. Well, there's the box. Like I said, basic box. I did it just to do something fun, something interesting. And like I said in the opening of this video, it keeps me as an active subscriber. So if they have a box that's going to be a, you know, a home run box, I can basically pay a much reduced price than what I did for the new welcome box and the active shooter box. Those I paid an outrageous amount of money to bring to the channel. But I do love basically, you know, the rifle cheek rest. I've been wanting one myself. I really don't know much about the Spartan system stuff. So like I said, if any of you have used it or know about it, leave questions, comments, love, hatred, just leave them down below. All right. The rifle rest, I don't know. I'm going to have to take a long gun out and give it a go and see how it works, to be honest. And like I said, I'm going to read his book, but it makes me wonder if all that training I got is really only worth 25 bucks. You know, because that's the retail, you know, manufacturer suggested retail on that book. But there we go, guys. That's my look at the sniper box. I'd like to know what you think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, down below. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to tune into this pretty quick video. You're going to see the symbol popping up right down here. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. If you don't know, subscribing is really, really important nowadays. So please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. And don't forget to smash that like button as well. Now, after you click on subscribe, make sure you click on that bell icon that is right next to it. That way you're going to be notified every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up over here. Those videos, YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think is going to be a good viewing experience for you. But there we are. BattlBox Mission 40, the Sniper Box, basic level. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.